Well, in tonight's WeatherWise segment, what we're going to be talking about is El Nino and its effects on hurricanes for us in the Atlantic Basin. Now, normally, as we can see, some warmer water sea surface temperatures on the western side of the Pacific Ocean that allows for normal circulation. But as we head into an El Nino year like what we're talking about right now, all that hot water slides over to the other side of the Pacific. Now, that does a couple things. It changes the heat patterns and, of course, the winds out there. And mainly what it's going to do is slow down those winds across the Pacific Ocean and allow for more heat to push up into the atmosphere. Now that does something for us further north. What it does is our normal trade winds kind of sliding along nice and normally, but as we have more heat in the atmosphere, they start to pick back up, and that does some stuff for us for the Atlantic Basin. First off, it's going to provide more stable air across the Atlantic Ocean, which prevents hurricane development. Also, what it's going to do is any of those storms that move in, it's going to help to steer them away from us, kind of like what we saw with Joaquin. And then also the most important fact is that with more wind shear, it's going to be pushing the tops of those storms, spreading out the latent heat at the bottom of the system. So this is a normal year, smaller space, more concentrated heat, but with a more shear, of course, you spread that out and there's less development and those storms do break up a little bit easier.